What's up everybody? I'm in Taichung, Taipei, and this is the start of my first day exploring in Taichung, and I am so excited to be here. This is just awesome. The view from up here is amazing to see this city. This is the second largest city in Taiwan. I'm excited to go around and see what there is to do here. So come with me on this adventure. Look at this view. This is crazy. Super pumped to be up here. I'm super pumped to get back down to street level and get going. And I figured out, last night we figured out how to rent the bikes, the grab bikes. So I will be riding a grab bike around. So let's get down to street level. Alright, I'm down on street level. Now I'm gonna go grab a bike, cross the road, make sure I don't get hit. Then I'm gonna go grab a bike, and then there's a park. That's like it looks like a really long park. I looked online. Yeah, let's go get a bike. Alright, so I'm at the bikes, the grab bikes, and this is what they look like. They're really convenient. I definitely enjoy them. It's like an art museum and it goes into a park, I think, but I'm not exactly sure. And I also need to find a 7-Eleven because I am thirsty. So see you guys in a minute. Bye. So I'm pretty sure this is all a part of this museum. Beautiful landscape and some very interesting and great sculptures. So let's walk around this park. It seems to like start here and stretch out. That, like, I think that's south maybe? South and north. I could be wrong, but yeah, it's a great place. Really nice, really beautiful. The great thing about art to me is it's so subjective, and especially sculptures. I'm a very big fan of sculptures, especially weird, odd sculptures, because to someone they might be weird, to someone else they see something beautiful and amazing. And I always thought that was fascinating, to take a rough, whatever medium you want to use, a rough piece of solid granite or whatever, and see the picture on the inside and then bring it out. I always thought that was an amazing process, and the people that are good at it do some amazing work. But I see a bridge. Let's see where that goes. See, look, bridge. I don't know where it goes though. what is this statue? What is this statue right here? It is super odd. I don't know what's going on in it. It's super weird. Let's look at this thing. Look at that. It's a person doing a handstand and another person doing something. This is cool. So this statue is Blizzard. Yeah, Blizzard. You know, the company that made World of Warcraft. That is why it... That's nuts. It's a cool statue though. In all honesty, I have no idea where I'm at. I'm just started walking. I found the park on the map, decided to go that way, and now I'm honestly just walking down the side of the road. I'm smelling so much good food. So I just got some chicken, some street food. It's really good. It's like a fried chicken, but the batter is like really different. It's a little sweet and salty at the same time. It's pretty good. So this chicken, sorry I'm holding the camera really weird. This chicken is really good. Salty, sweet, and still really hot, but delicious. Chicken was super good. Now I'm just walking back towards the apartment. Not really sure what I'm doing for the rest of the day. I know I should work a little bit, edit a little bit. I think I'm going to a yoga class later, Steve. I probably won't film that just because. Me and Steve just did yoga. Now we're gonna go eat some food and then head back to the house. It's been a long night, pretty fun. Yoga was awesome. Haven't done a yoga class in so long, but it was really nice.